Hello everyone, welcome to MeanLifeStudies. In today's video, we are going to solve one more problem as part of SQL interview preparation for data analyst or data engineer interview. You can see here, it is a different model that we solved before, and the question is given a source table and expected output, and guess the question and write an SQL query. These kind of questions are picking up by interviewers recently to check a candidate can do a data analysis or extract insights from the data or to come out with a solution or not. So whenever interviewer asking this kind of question, as a candidate, we should be very careful and we need to understand the data very carefully, and and we should not thinking in the side. We should always keep on saying something that whatever going in through, so that interviewer can understand what is your thought process. Okay. Now you can see here we have a source table and having a different columns like store ID, location, customer ID, date, and amount. So you can consider this as a customer is going to stores in different locations in different dates, and he's doing some. This amount is nothing but shopping amounts. This is the table. It is relatable to shopping, right? So we have customers of 100, 101, and 102. Okay. Now you can see here, this is the expected output having customer ID and amount. Now we should understand what is the data. See, a customer 100, I mean 100, has been shopping in different locations. You can see here on 10th June this year, he did a shopping in Hyderabad in store one, and the same customer, see here, the same customer on the same date he went to Bangalore and in the different store, and he again did a shopping, right? Now if you see another that is a same customer, he on 11th date, see this is the 10th date and this is the 11th date. So he purchased, I mean he did a shopping on 10th in Hyderabad. On the same date he went to Bangalore and he did a shopping. Now you can see here the next day he went back to Hyderabad and he did a shopping. Okay, with any amount that you can see here. Now similarly, customer ID 101, he did a shopping. He shopped on 11th June in Bangalore. Now you can see here the same date, 11th June, he went to Hyderabad and he did a on more shopping. Okay. Now the same customer on the next day he went back to Bangalore and he did another shopping. Okay. Likewise, the and the thing that is 102. On 102, you can see here 13, 12, here 12. See, on 12 he did two shoppings. I mean in Hyderabad he did one shopping and went back to Chennai and he did a shopping. And the next day he did another shopping. Okay. Now if you see the expected output, you can see here 101, you're getting it right. So we'll check with 101. 101, and here are two 101s, and you're getting this value, right? So how you're getting this value? If you see here, he shopped in Bangalore, it is in Hyderabad, and this is in Bangalore. Okay, and also this is in the same location, same date. Then this is the same date, right? So you can see here, customer 101 did a shopping in Bangalore two times, and one is one day before and the next one is after the date. Okay, and so you are returning this value mean this is the second purchase, I mean second day of his shopping. First day he did a shoppings on different locations, right? The next day he did one more shopping in the same location. I mean in the same location means he did two second shopping in the same location. Likewise, if you see one or two on the same date, see in the same date Hyderabad and Chennai. In the next date he did in Chennai. So you can consider Chennai 12th one shopping. The next day this is the second shopping in the same location, right? So if you compare these two values, you are getting this value. So this is the second shopping in the same location, right? Okay, now 101, 102, those respective values are that you are getting. Now if you check with 100 also in Hyderabad, in Bangalore on the same date. The next date he comes again Hyderabad, right? So this Hyderabad is the second purchase for 100. So it should be 6,000, right? But it is not written. So there should be a one condition is there, right? So let's check with what is the condition. Now if you check with 100, you are getting this value, right? This is in Bangalore, this is in Bangalore, and this is the next date, right? Their amount, if you consider this 25,000, this is 15,800. This is the first day shopping in one location. This is the next day shopping in the same location. So it is considered as second shopping in the same location. So if you compare this one, these values are higher. I mean, the amount he spent on second day shopping is higher than his previous day shopping in the same location, right? Now if you compare with the second one, this is 13, this is 12. Now if you see here 1 or 2, 12. Okay, in the same day you did customer 1 or 2 did two shoppings in different locations. The next day in Chennai, so you need to consider this one. See, in Chennai this is the next day shopping, so this is the second shopping in same location, right? So this is the 13th and this is 12th. Now if you see this value 12,000, if you see this is value, this is 9,000. So you can come out with this customer, he did shopping in the same location, and second time is amount is more than first day shopping in the same location, right? Now you are getting this value, so this condition is satisfying. Okay, now if you check with 100, this is the 110th and 110th. Okay, now if you see the next day, that is 11th in Hyderabad. Okay, now if you see, this is the first day shopping in Hyderabad, this is second day shopping in Hyderabad. If you compare these two values, this is 56,000, the next day shopping is 6,000, so it is not greater than, so it is not returns. Okay, now you are getting a solution like a customer who did second day purchase in the same location and the shopping amount is higher than the first day amount, right? That is the question. Okay, I hope you understand the question. Now we are going to write a SQL query to extract this expected output. We'll check it. The question is a customer who did a shopping two times in the same location, and he is going to shopping, his shopping amount is higher than his first shopping in the same location, right? Now we'll check with the SQL query. Now you can see here the shopping table, that is the exact table that you have seen earlier. Okay, now our question is what? Return customer ID and amount for those customers who spend more amount on his second shopping in the same location. This is the question, right? See, a customer who did a shopping in the same location second time, and we need to find those customers whose shopping is higher amount than his first shopping in the same location. Okay, now we will return all details from table, or else we'll return only our required location, customer ID and date and amount. See, now what we have to find out, or we need to check with the first day amount, right? So we will be using a lag function, window function, that is lag, where we will be checking the previous day amount, shopping amount. Okay, that is, we will be finding for each location and the customer in what order, in ascending order of date, so that we can easily find out the previous day shopping in each location and the customer. Okay, now we will use lag of amount over, I'm going to partition by each location, and what I have to partition by, I have to find for each customer, right? So I should use partition by as customer ID also. Now I need to order by date, right? That is in ascending order. Okay, now I'm assigning this as previous shopping amount. Okay, from shopping. Now if I execute this one, you can see here a customer 100 in Bangalore. He's the one customer who did a shopping in Bangalore, but before that there is no customer. See, the same customer in Hyderabad, this is, you can see here a customer 100 in Bangalore, this is the only one shopping, so the previous one there is no amount, so that is why it is returning null. In Bangalore 101, he did a two times shopping. See, on 11th and 12th. See, on 11th, and there is no customer previous, 101 is not shopped before 11th, so it is returning null. Now if you see this, the previous amount of shopping is 15,800. Okay, likewise you can check with all, wherever a customer who shopped for second time, though that row only will be returning a value, because of this is the only one in Chennai, there is no previous shopping by 102. Okay, now we need to check with this amount is this previous shopping amount. Our question is spend more amount on his second shopping in the same location. Okay, see, this is the previous day and this is the current day. Current day in the sense, this is the second day shopping and this is the previous shopping. Now we will check with, or we are going to return customer ID and amount from this table, I'm going to check with condition where a dot amount, this amount is nothing but, see here, if we see this is the current day and this is the previous day, so this is the second day shopping only. Okay, now if we check with this amount is greater than a dot previous shopping amount. Okay, now if we execute this one, you can see our expected output only, right? This means a customer who did a shopping two times in the same location, and we need to return those customers details whose second shopping amount is higher than the previous day shopping. Okay, and I hope you understand this problem and the solution. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share. Thank you.